Hey Care Queens, welcome back for another video. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am so excited to be walking you guys through how I look hot AF during quarantine. We are starting off in my natural state. So today I'm gonna be walking you guys through my routine of how I feel like the baddest bitch on the planet. I do a multitude of things like a hair mask, a face mask. I do my blowout routine. I put the most gorgeous space buns in my hair that ended up being kind of lopsided, but it's okay. I do my skincare, my makeup. I make delicious noodles that you guys can be obsessed with, and a hand care routine. So let's freaking go. I am going to start off with my hair mask, and this is gonna be something that I'm gonna be putting in my hair that I'm actually gonna be blow drying in my hair. Coconut oil, big container from Costco. And all I do is I take a little bit of this, put it in a bowl, heat up in the microwave, and just pour it over my hair, and I blow dry it straight. Perfect. So the way I do it is I just take my hands, put it in the bowl, and just move it around my hair like this until I feel like my hair is like fully coated, and make sure you really get those ends. While I let the mask kind of penetrate my hair follicle, I like to put on a face mask. And today's video is actually sponsored by Teami. What's so funny about this is actually my second container of this mask. I love it that much. I did a video a long time ago about this mask, and this is my second time doing a video about it. So hello, welcome back, Teami. And I love this mask so much, especially during times like this, because I find that my skin has been really acting up a lot, especially because of stress, anxiety, being stuck in the house, things like that. And this mask kind of detoxifies my skin. It helps it really just heal from the inside out. I personally use this mask whenever my skin just needs an extra TLC. It's amazing. It just really helps penetrate the skin. And as you guys can see, it's very green. It's very full coverage. I love that the most because I feel afterwards when I wash this mask off that my skin has zero texture, and it just feels so smooth and ready to just apply whatever else you want to on top of it. I really noticed that I can see a huge difference in my skin after using this mask after maybe like 2 uses. So I'll do one like today, and then I'll do one in like 2 days, and I'll find that my skin already has less breakouts, and it definitely looks smoother and better. It isn't drying at all. The mask also has like a really amazing cooling sensation that just feels like it's penetrating beyond the surface, and it's non-irritating, so I don't feel like my skin is gonna be red and irritated and just not in a good place after I wash this off. It's not too harsh, but it does do its job, and you feel it working as it's on, which is incredible. You guys can use my code at Teami. It's Gamba, all capital letters, Gamba, and you guys are going to freaking love it. I'm telling you. I sometimes will use a round brush like this, or I will use I don't know what this is called. It's a 407 styling brush is what I use in hair school. And I even use biosilk hot thermal protectant mist. And I use this in my hair just to protect it from heat. I don't really believe these things really work that well. You just have to limit your heat usage. That's the best way to heat protect your hair, but I like to do the extra protection regardless. So I'm going to take my hair out of this pony and just spray it with the heat protection mist. I am going to blow dry my hair, listen to a podcast, and I will see you guys when I'm done.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean.
I just got done blow drying my hair. I kind of got lazy at the top portion, but it's fine. I am not going to flat iron my entire hair. I'm just going to be flat ironing the perimeter of where you're going to see like my hair being pulled back, because if I flat iron the whole thing, it's gonna cause more heat damage. It's going to be super dumb because you're not gonna see it anyways. I look crazy, but look how big my hair is. It's so cool. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do this because I want you guys to see like how I like to style my hair. All right, and I'm gonna section off one side like this because we're gonna focus on one side at a time. So I'm going to just make sure this is all brushed out. It's very coconut oily, which I love. And you're gonna see a little bit of smoke because when you have oil in your hair starts to smoke a little bit. Don't worry, it's not anything bad. And I don't really need a chasing comb for my face because the hairs by my face are always like less kinky and they're just easier to straighten, so I can just do it with my hands like this. I am gonna go straight in with my Murray's Superior Dressing Pomade. This is the pomade that I use. It's like $3 at Target. It's the best one I've ever used too for this type of styling. And I'm going to literally take it on my fingers and just put it through my hair like this. Get it all ready. And as you guys can see, like the ends of my hair are still curly, but that's okay. And you're going to take one of these types of brushes with these bristles, and you're going to just brush it in the direction that you want the hair to go. So I actually want mine to go kind of backward like this. And I'm gonna try to grab it all with my hands. Take my 2 elastics, wrap the hair around them like this. Get it until you can't do it anymore. All right, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. We're going to twist it like this. Like that, put it in a little bun. You're gonna go in with your hair. And I just use a straight bundle. It's probably no longer than 16 inches. And I'm just going to wrap it around the bun. Guys, I'm looking hotter already. Can you believe it? And once you do that, you're gonna have this cute little rat tail ponytail. Twist it like this. And ponytail it. So this is what my hair looked like before. This is what it looks like after. Okay guys, so my hair is done. I actually have a scarf around it because I wanted it to just kind of sit. I have my jewelry on. I put on my top for the day. I'm already feeling a little hotter, you know what I'm saying? And my skin is ready for some moisture. So this is my skin fresh with the face mask off. As you guys can see, it didn't give me any dry skin, but it did help bring my impurities to the surface, which I love. And my skin feels amazing. So I like to do a little bit more skincare before I do my makeup. So first things first, we're gonna do lips, which isn't really skin, but I'm taking my fresh sugar lemon. You're not really supposed to do it like that, but I do. And I like it because my lips are honestly really chapped being stuck in the house. This is essentially just like a toner, but I spray it directly onto my face like this. I'm sure I've done this in the video before, but I'm gonna try something new today. So we're gonna go in with the Yesto Watermelon Fresh Gel Moisturizer. See that right there? We're gonna use that on our skin today. So I am going to just take a dime size amount and put it on. Oh, it's nice and moisturizing and it smells like watermelons, which I love. I think this is good now. Let's see. So we have our space buns, which are very much uneven, but still very cute. So I'm going in with my Kosas Tinted Face Oil. This is my new go-to when I am wearing makeup at home because it's very, very natural and light, but it has buildable coverage. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can get like a real close-up shot. You're gonna see it starts off looking a lot like skin and then it gets very buildable, which I like a medium to full coverage. And it's such a good color match for me because it gives me a little bit of a tan that it doesn't make me look like a different color. It's just tan enough that I don't look like a ghost. So now I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I've been enjoying it. I normally go for my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I prefer it, to be honest, but for now this works. Just gonna speed through my makeup so we can get it over with. But I will list all the products down below that I use so you guys can recreate this look, and it's gonna be super simple. You're gonna love it. So let's cue the music. my final look. My makeup is complete. It's very like bronzy-esque. I'm feeling so freaking cute. I love this little look that I did, and now I'm freaking starving. So I'm gonna show you guys my favorite peanut butter noodle recipe. I make this recipe probably once every 2 weeks. It's my favorite noodle recipe ever, and I'm finally letting you guys know on the secret because I've never seen anybody make this before that I know personally. So I know it's like my own little secret recipe, and I can't wait to show you guys because it's super easy, it's delicious, and honestly, like your man, everyone is gonna love it, and it's plant-based, obviously. So let's go and do that, and we are going to continue our day. Mwah. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you guys how I make the most bomb peanut butter noodles ever. I actually heard of this recipe years ago, like over a decade ago, from a book that I had in one of my classes in school, and it was like an Asian inspired dish. So thank you, Asia, for making bomb ass noodle dishes. Here we go. So you're gonna take that rice ramen, you're gonna put it in a pot, and it only needs to boil for literally 4 minutes. You are going to transfer it to a skillet, put in 3 hefty spoons of peanut butter and a little bit of sesame oil, and kind of cook them together. You want the heat setting to be super low, and you're gonna stir it together. Don't mind me and my metal spoons. It's very ghetto and ratchet. Use an actual spatula. Then I use a very hefty tablespoon of ginger. It really makes the dish taste better. So I use minced ginger from like the jar. I do a lot of sriracha, stir it together, make it really creamy and delicious. And obviously now I'm using a spatula. And then some sesame seeds, and I transfer it to a cute little bowl and add sriracha and cilantro on top and a little bit more sesame seeds, and it is literally complete. If you eat this straight out of the pan, you're gonna love it because it's so creamy and delicious. Everyone's gonna love it. Okay, so let's talk about hand care because this is very important right now, and this is gonna have you looking top notch. I wanna share with you guys my tips and tricks that I've been doing to keep my hands looking freaking face-tuned in real life. Merch down below, A. I keep my hands looking very beautiful. I'm gonna show you them up close so you can see them. They look really good despite the nails. Don't look at my nails, I can't do anything about that, but my hands are not chapped, they're moisturized, they look good. But I'm gonna show you guys my hand routine. Let's first talk about what I wash my hands with. So I use the Love Beauty and Planet hand soap, and this one is in Blooming Fresh. Now I'm gonna talk about this hand soap really quick. So this hand soap right here has been a saving grace during this time. It's very moisturizing. It obviously cleans your hands, but what I love the most about it is it's not drying out my hands when I wash them. Washing your hands a million times a day, it's just going to be dry. It's just how it's gonna be. So I love this one because it's not drying out my hands. So if you end up getting to the store and you need some more hand soap and you don't know what to buy, this one right here, I put you on, say it was me, please go out and buy this and let me know down below if you're freaking with it. So now we have some leftover coconut oil from my hair mask this morning, and it's gonna go on my hands. Now, if you're gonna be doing something like opening jars, don't do this, but I am gonna be doing this hand mask, Haley's hand mask. Hashtag Haley's hand mask. Do this and you're gonna see a major difference. The reason why I like this lotion following up after the coconut oil is because this lotion has a tint to it. It's not like a lotion that has like a color tint, it has like a sparkle tint, not a sparkle, like a sheen. So when you have it on your hands or your body or somewhere, it's going to have like a sheen glow. I'll show you guys my hands once I'm done. Using the littlest amount, literally dipping my finger, and I'm just going to put the coconut oil all over my hands, but I'm not going to make them like super greasy. I put them on to where my hands just look a little bit shiny, but not too shiny. And then I go in with the Glossier Body Hero lotion, and I take about this much right here, and we're just gonna put it on our hands. I'm gonna show you guys, maybe you guys will be able to see how this looks. So let me know if you guys can see that sheen. It has just like a very, very light, glossy look to it that makes your hands just always look very moisturized. So you're gonna do this, and that combination right there is going to make your hands just look like this. Freaking gorgeous, like I'm obsessed. I hope that you guys are really enjoying these types of vlog style videos where I do my hair, my makeup, my food, things like that. If you guys want to see more of that here on this channel, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment it down below so I know what you guys want from me. I have amazing content coming soon, so I'm really excited. And I'm actually filming my laser hair removal update tomorrow, so look out for that. Yeah, let me know what you guys are doing to make yourself look hot AF during this crazy time, because listen, I'm not letting my looks go. I want to look freaking fabulous no matter what. And I wanted to kind of walk you through my beauty routine just a little bit. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.